Did you know you can work with any calendar structure in Power BI using calendar-based time intelligence? Here's how you can start leveraging this powerful feature. What are calendars? Calendars define which columns represent specific time attributes, enabling fully customized time-based analysis. You can even define multiple calendars on any table for complete control over how time is segmented and analyzed. Key benefits: works with any calendar type, makes no structural assumptions, supports sparse dates, introduces new week-based calculations, and delivers noticeable performance gains. Getting started. Enable the preview by navigating to Options and Settings, then Options, then Preview Features, then turn on Enhanced DAX Time Intelligence. Next, define calendars using either the Calendar Options UI or the TMDL view. Using the Calendar Options UI, open the Table Tools tab or right-click a table in the data pane to view existing calendars, create new ones, or access the Mark as Date table options. Using TMDL view, enjoy more flexibility, including tagging columns as time-related for advanced scenarios. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.